And boom guys, all features have been added successfully. We have a little joystick here. Look at this, look at how fast I go. What's up guys, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got spoofer settings for my Pokemon Go game. Absolutely free, safe and online guys. Let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website and type in search Pokemon Go and you will find the online tool. Click there guys, and I will have to enter our trainer code. So if you don't know how to find it, your trainer code, just click here how to find your trainer code and you will find instruction. Okay, so let me paste my here. I already copy. Let me click connect to the account and let's wait a little bit. As you can see, trainer code is found. So the next step is to select our spoofer package. So I will go with the full edition. Let me click inject spoofer and let's wait a little bit. This is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices guys, and believe me, this is the best working method for spoofer. Okay, so let's see the next step. Just scroll down and click verify now. And now guys, we're on the anti-bot verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here, click proceed, and it will start downloading from the official publisher of the app. Are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download this, just play and earn money and money cash. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this status complete successfully. So success redirecting almost done. So let's wait for this redirecting. Let's see the final step. Okay guys, injection successful. That's it. Let me open my Pokemon Go game and let's test, does it actually work? So let's see guys. Okay guys, I'm now in the game and look at this. We have these little stars. So let me click here and boom guys, all features have been added successfully. We have a little joystick here. Look at this, look at how fast I go. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.